If you're growing small cucumber plants, this simple tip can help them grow faster, healthier, and produce more cucumbers. Just like us, plants need regular nutrients. When the soil becomes weak, young cucumber plants slow down and give fewer fruits. But with the right natural care, you can see a big improvement. Today I'll show you an easy natural booster using yeast. Take 1 spoon of dry yeast and mix it in 1 liter of water. Add a small spoon of sugar, stir well, and let it sit for a few minutes so the yeast activates properly. Now gently pour this solution around your small cucumber plants. Give each plant a small amount near the roots. This helps boost growth and strengthens the plant naturally. Use this only once or twice a month. Don't overuse it. After about 2 weeks, switch to liquid organic fertilizer. Mix it in water and apply it only to the soil, not on the leaves. With proper care, your small cucumber plants will grow strong and reward you with fresh, healthy cucumbers. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple gardening tips.